Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about what should be the maximum exposure limit of dust in mines as prescribed in DGMS Circular number 1 of 2010. If you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel Surangovali so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. In this circular, DGMS has prescribed the maximum exposure limit of dust to be maintained in workplace so as to ensure that the workplace is safe for workers who work continuously for a period of 8 hours in a shift. The maximum exposure limit of the dust is based upon the percentage of free silica in the air. More is the percentage of free silica in air, lesser should be the maximum exposure limit of the dust. This is because the free silica, which is very small in size, if it present more in the air, there is more chance of dust entering into the lungs of the human being, which may cause many respiratory diseases to the workers. The maximum exposure limit of dust is expressed as how many milligrams of dust present in 1 meter cube of air. That is, we are measuring if a person breathes 1 meter cube of air, how much milligram of dust may enter into his lungs. According to this circular, if the percentage of free silica in air is less than 5%, then the maximum exposure limit for a period of 8 hours should be 3 milligrams per meter cube of air. If the percentage of free silica in air is more than 5%, then the maximum exposure limit for a period of 8 hours is calculated by 15 divided by percentage of free silica present in the air. If the percentage of free silica is 6, then the maximum exposure limit is 15 divided by 6 is equal to 2.5 milligram per meter cube. If the percentage of free silica is 10, then maximum exposure limit is 15 divided by 10 is equal to 1.5 milligram per meter cube. If the percentage of free silica is 15, then the maximum exposure limit is 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1 milligram per meter cube. From this, we can understand that the maximum exposure limit of dust in mines is fixed as 3 milligram per meter cube of air. As the percentage of free silica is increases in the air, the maximum exposure limit is decreasing. What it means that when the air is more in the form of polluted form, we should purify or we should expose the person less to this kind of air. So it is therefore very essential to determine the percentage of free silica present in the air in order to find the maximum exposure limit of dust in mines. In case of crystalline silica, the maximum exposure limit is fixed as a standard value as 0.1 milligram per meter cube of air for a period of 8 hours. This permissible standard is based upon the DGMS circular released in the year 2010. But in recently conducted 12th Safety Conference in Mines, these dust permissible standards have been modified. Kindly refer to that conference and comment below what is the modified maximum exposure limit of the dust given in that conference. Hope this video was very useful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.